G'day everyone, welcome back to another episode of YJ Garage. This is episode 5 of my MX-5 rebuild. Now that we've got the engine back in place, properly aligned, we've got a few things left to do under the car. Let's get going. Back under the car for more fun. We've got the transmission hooked up to the PPF. Now it's time to get the header onto the mid-pipe. Little bit heavy to lift that while filming. Gonna need 2 hands. Be right back. Here we are, just buttoning that up. Next, jacked up the rear of the car. Got both wheels in the air. Don't mind me, I'm just checking for spiders. There are a lot of cobwebs. I needed both wheels in the air so that I can turn the drive shaft to put in all 4 bolts and nuts. With that out of the way, it's time to put the muffler on. My exhaust hangers probably weren't terribly happy about being the only thing hanging the exhaust pieces up for the last couple of years. Alright, changing out the oil dipstick O-ring. Don't think it was leaking before, but might as well change it while we're here. And don't worry, I do shortly realise that it's meant to go in behind the coolant pipe there. Don't forget to attach that earthing point to your oil dipstick. Next up is the power steering pump. And in goes the alternator. Now's a good time to put on the belts. Forget the connector at the back of the alternator. As well as this part of the harness. Very important that this goes back on securely. And finally we can start putting back the intake. With the fuel injector part of the harness, there are 2 points that need to be connected to the intake. Pretty hard to film, so I've skipped it there. Next up, we've put the coil pack back and we're going to install the spark plug wires. With the fuel rail, there's 3 plastic spaces. Try not to drop those. They tend to go missing forever if you do. Ask me how I know. Don't forget the gasket that goes in between the upper plenum and lower plenum, which I've forgotten here. I do come back and fix that up later. And as a bonus, I went and got myself the updated version of the console. So now I can finally have that cup holder exactly where I would rest my elbow whilst I'm changing gears. Very questionable spot that Mazda put the cup holder in, but it's better than not having one. There it is, looks pretty good installed. I'll have to change out the shifter boot a bit later. Next I've got all 4 wheels up in the air, car pretty level. Just going to hand pump transmission fluid until it starts dripping like that and then button it up. And we are on the home stretch. If it was not for the complete mental exhaustion, I would probably be feeling particularly proud around this point in the film. That's usually not till the end of the day when I put the tools down that I'm like, 1, I can't believe I'm doing this, and 2, I really hope it doesn't blow up on the first start. I heard online the best way to fill up the coolant is pour slowly and have the front end of the car raised to try and get out as many bubbles as possible. I'll likely still have to burp the system at a later stage. And I'm going to wrap this video up with putting the front bumper back on. If you got something out of this video, throw a like. If you are new, please subscribe. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.